Wow, look at his energy. How does he stay active throughout the day? Look at her. She's so well maintained even at this age. I wonder how she finds the time in her busy schedule. Oh, she's quite lucky. She doesn't gain weight and stays fit no matter what she eats. But मेरे पास टाइम बिल्कुल नहीं है और मुझे थोड़ा बहुत खाना भी लग जाता है. वो मेरा तो मेटाबॉलिज्म ही खराब है ना. आई एम श्योर बहुत से लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं और ये कहकर कुछ करने का एफर्ट ही नहीं करते. देखिए, जिसने सोच लिया, प्रायोरिटाइज कर लिया, वो टाइम निकाल ही लेता है. बट दिस इज अबाउट यू. किसी भी तरह की हमें फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए, ये सबको पता है. उससे क्या फायदा होता है ये भी सबको पता है. पर प्रॉब्लम ये है that we are not able to do it. So are you looking for motivation and some simple tips to help you incorporate exercise into your routine regularly? Let's quickly discuss a few secrets that will give you the push you need. We'll go through a step-by-step approach. First, if you are planning to work out, make sure you prepare your clothes and decide on your exercise routine the night before. When you wake up and see everything ready, it will help overcome your inertia. After this, some may be able to proceed with their workout in the morning, while others, they back out at the sound of alarm. अब क्या करें? So it's time to think about the day ahead. What kind of person you want to be and how you want to present yourself at work. If you feel you lack confidence and energy, believe me, the physical exercise you do in the morning will act as a booster and keep you active throughout the day. नहीं, अभी भी चलो छोड़ो वाला एटीट्यूड ही है. तो एक बार अपने आप को मिरर में देखिए और क्वेश्चन कीजिए अपनी विल पावर को. एंड ऑल्सो दैट इफ यू कैनॉट कमिट प्रॉमिस टू योरसेल्फ, विल यू बी एबल टू स्टे कॉन्फिडेंट एंड असर्टिव इन फ्रंट ऑफ अदर्स? अब भी बात नहीं बनी. आप कहेंगे हम ऐसे ही ठीक हैं. नो प्रॉब्लम. Another strategy that will definitely work is to find out a partner with positive energy. If you can find a workout partner at home, nothing could be better. It's easier to reach your goals when your family is involved. If not, find a friend with matching goals and energy. So even on your lazy days, you will have a partner to motivate each other. Another way to break your inertia is to step outside and take a quick walk or run for 10 to 15 minutes. This will help prepare your body before you start any form of exercise. Just be present in those few minutes, look straight ahead and maintain a smile and remind yourself that you are doing something good for your body and forget about everything else. Let me re-emphasize, to maintain a smile, चाहे वो परफंक्टरी यानी कि दिखावे वाली स्माइल हो. इसका क्या मतलब है? जब आप स्माइलिंग फेस कुछ देर के लिए बना कर रखोगे, आपको हैप्पीनेस ऑटोमेटिकली फील होने लग जाएगी. ट्रस्ट मी, दिस वर्क्स. मुझे कमेंट्स में ये करके जरूर बताना. So just to summarize, keep trying these points. Number 1, prepare a night before. Number 2, do self-reflection in the morning. Number 3, find a partner with positive energy and mindset. Number 4, do a quick outdoor walk or run for efficient warm-up. Next, let's assume that आपने अपने आप को push करके half-heartedly कुछ start किया. First of all, if you have decided to give it a try, give yourself a pat on the back. Now let's talk about how to maintain consistency in physical activity. अगर आप beginner हैं, then start with a small activity जो आप कर सके. What I mean is set achievable and sustainable targets. बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि हमारे पास जिम जाने का टाइम नहीं है और थोड़ी बहुत वॉक या रन से क्या ही होगा. सबसे पहले आपको जरूरत है हैबिट डेवलप करने की. तो आपके पास चाहे 10 मिनट ही हो, आप वॉक या रन कीजिए, 10 मिनट का होम वर्कआउट कीजिए. द आइडिया इज प्रीटी सिंपल. Once you develop the habit of exercising and start enjoying it, you can gradually increase the time and intensity. Now the question is, how do we make working out a fun to maintain consistency? After all, we should feel happy by the end, isn't it? It's pretty simple. Stay tuned till the end. As mentioned in one of my earlier videos, we discussed the power of music for ultimate workout motivation. So play some energizing music of your choice to get into the rhythm, power through and feel less fatigued. Another way to maintain consistency is by using a reward system. If you have been consistent for say 2 weeks, reward yourself with something you enjoy, like a new t-shirt, dinner at your favorite restaurant or anything that makes you happy. Alternatively, you can lend money to a reliable person or a family member and ask them to give you your reward once you reach your refined milestone. I'm sure that will bring you even more satisfaction and happiness. Another important and last point, always explore different variations and intensities in your workouts to keep things interesting. It's natural to get bored and start making excuses after a few days, especially when motivation dips. So to maintain consistency, I recommend switching up your routine by trying different workout each day. If you enjoy playing sports, that's one of the best forms of exercise. Personally, I start with a few minutes of walking or running to warm up, then follow a routine with 2 days of cardio, 2 days of strength training, 1 day of yoga, 1 day of low impact exercises, and 1 rest day. So just to conclude, if you work out regularly and eat healthy, your body will stay active and energized. On the other hand, if you don't, you might feel sluggish, crave junk food, and get easily frustrated. So don't wait for the perfect day or moment. Start today for a healthier lifestyle. Try out my tips and let me know in the comments if they helped you.